How to change the year on Google Earth. What's up everybody? Welcome to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change the year on Google Earth mobile app. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest videos. Alright, let's get right into it. First thing first, you will have to open up your Google Earth, but before you do that, you just have to make sure that your Google Earth is up to date. So quickly head over to your Play Store and then search for Google Earth. And once you do that, if you see an update button available right here, you can update the app. And once it is up to date, all you have to do is open the app first. Now, as you can see here, I am on my Google Earth. Now, all you have to do here is go ahead and tap on this layers icon at the top right corner. And once you do that, this option will pop up right here. So here you will see something called historical imagery. What this will do is it will explore Google's catalog of historical imagery of planet. Doing this allows you to go through the history and look how the places looked back in the time. So if you just turn it on, you will get this little slider at the bottom of your screen. So the very first thing that you can get the data of is from 1984, and you can continuously go ahead and go up to the current date right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. This way you can look at the year by year image of any place on Google Earth. If you found this helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.